America, the land of dreams, but just getting here isn't enough. You have to survive, you have to thrive, and to do that, you need skills that make American employers say, "We need you." Today, I'm going to tell you the top 5 high-income skills that will make settling in the USA a whole lot easier. Number 5, digital marketing. Every business in America is hunting for customers online. SEO, paid ads, content strategy. If you know these, you're in demand everywhere. From remote gigs to full-time positions, the opportunities are endless. And the best part? Entry-level salaries start at $50,000. Number 4, healthcare and medical coding. The healthcare sector in the USA is absolutely massive. Nursing, physical therapy, or Medicag. Master any one of these and you become gold in the job market. Get your CPC certification and you can even work remotely from home. Number 3, trade skills, electrician or plumber. This is what most people overlook. America has a serious shortage of licensed electricians and plumbers. These trades often come with visa sponsorship opportunities, and income ranges from $80,000 all the way to $120,000 a year. Number 2, data analytics and AI tools. No company runs without data anymore. Excel, Python, Power BI, AI automation. These skills are among the most in demand right now. Just a Google Data Analytics certificate can land you an entry-level role paying $65,000 or more. Number 1, software development. This sits at number 1 for one simple reason: demand has never dropped and it never will. JavaScript, Python, cloud computing. Get good at any of these and H-1B visa sponsorship becomes very achievable. Salary starts at $100,000. If you become truly skilled in even one of these 5 areas, America is ready to welcome you, so don't wait. Start today.